And the first time I came here, I didn't realise, and I went straight down there. Oh, God. I crapped my pants because I didn't realise there were stairs. Guys, I think one of the biggest things that you find when you start cycling, electric cycling, all that kind of stuff, just any form of transport that doesn't involve just tarmac, like we're on right now, ironically, you find that adventure is really on your doorstep, right? And so I thought I'd do like a little mini-series called Jay's Hidden Gems, which is places around Bristol that I found once I started cycling. And we are going to go to one of those today because I've got my new bag and I got my new bottle. So I thought, why not go out and grab a nice coffee from a really nice coffee shop or cafe. And seeing as I'm a bit hungry as well, I might as well get a bacon and sausage sandwich. So yeah, the place we're going today is Willsbridge Mill Cafe. Now, my girlfriend, this wasn't a hidden gem for her, because lo and behold, I found out they used to do like a arts and crafts kind of school down there. Not school, you know what I mean. Club, that's the word I'm looking for. An arts and crafts club. And she used to go down there, so she's quite familiar with it. But every time I've been down there, there's really not that many people down there. And it surprises me, because one, coffee's really good. And two, it's just a nice looking place. You know what I mean? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go down there today. Nice short video. And check it out. If you ever plan on going there, for the riders, for the people that are watching this that are from Bristol or the southwest at least, be nice and easy for you. And for those of you that aren't from Bristol or the southwest, if you're ever down here and you want to check out our cycling trails, bloody hell, you want to check out our cycling trails, this might be a stop that you want to do. So first of all, we got to go down this bloody hill, which is a big one, and in this bloody cold, whoo, icicles. And then what you want to do is you turn right here, down this little dirt path. Well, it's not a dirt path just yet, but it will be. And you'll see what I mean. And what you do is you ride all the way along this little river, canal, whatever it is, all the way along this bit of water. And then you get to this gate. And don't worry, this is a public gate. For those of you who worry about those sort of things. And then it's along this dirt path. This is the dirt path I was talking about. Now, as you can tell, this is a really nice place to walk and to cycle, to be fair. But it is a dirt path. It is mucky, and you do not want to fall. There you go, you first. There you go, it's you first. No worries. Cheers. Oh, thank you. Scared the poor little dog. Oh, and that's one thing to remember. If you do come down here, this is a very, very popular dog walking trail. So don't shoot around here at, 20 miles an hour on your electric bike. Just be a little bit cautious of that, because no one wants to hurt a dog. If you do want to hurt a dog, stop watching the video. I don't like you. And then just straight over this bit, and then down another dirt path. So yeah, heavy on the brakes round here, put it that way. And the first time I came here, I didn't realise, and I went straight down there. Oh God, I crapped my pants because I didn't realise there were stairs. It's actually this way for bikes. And around again, and then down. Ugh. So again, heavy on the brakes. And then we're actually nearly here now, which is pretty cool. So yeah, really just a nice country kind of cycling path / walking route. You know, if you're interested in this sort of thing, and seeing as you're on this channel, I'd imagine you are. So yeah, really, really nice. You right, mate?
We're trying to get more wildlife into the city.
Hello guys, can I squeeze through there? That's right. Cheers, thank you. So yeah, really, really cool. If you're down there, worry about these little drain holes. One of them caught me off guard the first time I came down here. Hit it like a ton of bricks, I tell you. Hiya folks, you alright? Oh, thank you. And we are here. Just down this hill. Oh, and we're here. So let's go grab a coffee, shall we? Oh yeah, you alright? Can I have a iced caramel latte? Not an iced caramel latte, it's bloody cold. A caramel latte, please. And a sausage and bacon sandwich, please.
Would you like that on white bread or on brown bread?
White bread, please.
It's £9.
Pound card, please.
Alright, I'll give you that number and we'll bring it through for you when it's ready.
Perfect, thank you. Is it alright if I wait outside? Is that okay? Yeah, thank you. Better wait outside. Don't want anyone nicking me bike. Number 4. This is Willsbridge Mill Cafe. As I said to you guys, you know, it's not very busy. It looks busy because of all the cars, but it's really not that busy. And then of course you've got, yeah, you're just in the middle of woodland really, right next to the water, and you can see it pound down. And obviously it's heavier at the moment because we've had these storms and such. Jolly Sailor is completely submerged in water at the moment. I'll try and parse in the video that they put on Facebook. Completely submerged. Absolutely wild stuff that we've had with water. Crazy around there. But yeah, absolutely lovely cafe. Obviously you can eat inside, outside. They got a little restaurant bit in there. Yeah, really nice. As you can tell, some people drive. You know, which is fine. You know, if you're far away and you've got to drive, haven't you? But it is, as you just saw, a pretty decent, nice ride down here. Especially from my house, it's only about 1.6 miles, something like that. So nice and easy to get to if you're on a bike, like myself. Is that number 4? Thank you very much.
If you keep your number,
Yeah.
your bacon sandwich.
Thank you very much. Let's grab that out. Oh. Oh, lovely. Absolutely lovely. Is that for me? Perfect, thank you. Do you guys recycle?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just because I popped it in my thermos after. Yeah, thank you very much. Cheers. Now, let's check this out, shall we? Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Right, now, hopefully, after I just bigged up this bag, it can fit me sarnie in there. Right, let's get some stuff out first, shall we? Let's grab those out. That's probably the biggest thing causing the issues. There we go. We're good to go. So yeah, that's Willsbridge Mills, guys. That's the first of the hidden gems that I'd like to share with you. So I'll see you in the next video. And remember, stay awesome.